home cook. And for my first video today, we're going to make stuffed omelet with all sorts of leftover which I have in the fridge. I'm going to start with the omelet part first. All eggs with, we're gonna whisk it. While we wait for the oil to be hot, we're going to set some lemon. Make sure you only zest the yellow part, not the white part, because that's bitter. If you want, you can add this zest to the egg mixture. It's gonna jazz it up really nicely. But today we're going to use it with the meat mixture instead. That's good enough. Now we're going to fry some egg. I put too much oil in so it doesn't really stick on the sides for a moment, but we can wait for a while until the egg mixture set a little bit more, and then we will swirl a little bit more. Okay, so the crepes are quite delicate. For the edges, you don't have to use a spatula to like take it out. You can just swirl it around. Make sure that the pan on that edges hit the heat, and the heat will kind of slowly cook the egg, and the egg will lift off of the pan. And we're going to only cook on these sides. We're not gonna flip it and cook on the other side, because we want to keep the egg on these sides soft and tender. You know, when the egg is cooked, when you can lift up the edges just like this, we're done. That's it. Now we're going to cook the filling. Here I have avocado oil and garlic. Now we're going to add lemon zest. Now that the garlic and lemon zest are quite golden brown, we're going to add our roasted tomato first. Leftover stir frying minced pork, not too much. If you want the mixture to be saucier, you can add maybe some more tomatoes. Almost done, but let's add some more freshly cracked black peppers. Okay, so here are the eggy crepe. Right, on this side is nicely brown, but on this side is still soft and tender. We're going to add some of the meat mixture right in the middle. Make sure you only put it right in the middle. Make it pile higher so the stuffed omelet can look chubby and fat. Pat it down. Make sure it's in a nice square shape. Fold it in. If your egg crepe breaks, that's fine. And now we're gonna quickly flip it to the other sides. Okay. Alright. How my mom loved to do it is she cut right in the middle. making a cross, and then you can open it up like that so the people who eat it know exactly what they're eating. Served it with greens. Put the greens right here. Here I have the tahini lemon sauce. Just gonna sprinkle it all over.